GRC IT Audit Machine, there are 3 different types of access accounts: user, administrator, and examiner, that align with an individual's role in the governance process. Each type of account has a distinct purpose in the system, though some capabilities do overlap. Before we explore the types of accounts, we need to talk about entities. Entities are groupings of users within ITAM. They may represent separate organizations, groups of individuals, or even separate departments within an organization. Entities provide a means to separate the system resources to which a user will have access, as well as control how a user's data is organized within the system. Now that we know about entities, we can talk about the first type of account, the user account. A user in the IT Audit Machine represents someone whose role involves entering data and evidence into a form to document compliance. They must be associated with an entity and are only able to access the forms available to the entity with which they are associated. Multiple users can collaborate on a form to complete it. A user may also belong to multiple entity groups. An administrator, unlike a normal user, represents someone who is responsible for managing aspects of the system. An administrator may be a full administrator with complete access to manage the system, or a limited administrator with responsibilities over a subset of an ITAM instance. An administrator is not required to be associated with a particular entity, and often instead manages one or more entities within the system. Responsibilities of administrators include user management, system management, theme management, form creation, editing and management, and governance if there are no examiners to perform that role. The final type of account, an examiner, is similar to a standard user in that they must be associated with one or more entities. However, they specialize in governance, acting as an auditor rather than focusing on data entry. They have the ability, shared with administrators, to change status indicators, manage action ITAMs, and change dashboard reporting, but lack any user management or form creation editing capabilities. Examiner accounts fill a vital role in facilitating the principle of least privilege by providing access to the necessary governance tools without requiring administrator-level control. Knowing the different types of accounts, user, examiner, and administrator, will help you assign the right roles to the right people in your organization, giving you the power to minimize setup and maximize effective use of the IT Audit Machine. Just one more way in which the IT Audit Machine from Continuum GRC is simplifying and empowering governance, risk, and compliance. Enjoy the power of Continuum GRC.